So hello guys, we're on our way to Dumaguete. This is our family's first long trip, no?
Yes.
So first in amo nga road trip as a family in one car.
Yeah.
And let's go. Guys, traffic kayo. Napamisa Tabuk, Mandawi, and we're already experiencing a very heavy traffic, which we are still at 99.1% of our trip in terms of the Kalayon. Hi Leah. And the kuya is already asleep. I don't know, so time check is 4:07, and I don't know, maybe around 7:30. Our target is gonna be 7:30 or not 9, because ang trip is every one and a half hour man to naging ni Adrian. So supposedly we're gonna ride a 6 p.m. trip sa boat if we left mga 2 or 1 p.m. but unfortunately it's already 4 kay dugay pa na human sa ato ang mga obligasyones. But yep, we're going on the trip. So hello guys, hello.
Hi.
What time is it? It's 8:52. That's how many hours later in the video. Hi Dumaguete, that's Negros right there guys.
No, he's not the right boat. There on the ocean.
Huh? You don't wanna what?
Don't ride the boat. Just there's mother ocean.
No, there's no monster. And there's Papa and Mama. So don't have to be afraid, okay? Uy. Are you excited to ride on a boat?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I want to wear my.
Ay, sorry day. Huh? You want Mama? May jacket si Charles.
Oh no, wala.
He wants to wear a jacket.
It's so hot.
You wanna wear a jacket?
Yes.
We have a little driver here. Alright, we'll park the car on the boat, guys, and we'll see you later. Say bye.
Goodbye.
The Kia was waiting to be the last car. He wants to go ahead, everybody. Exiting the boat. Asa ako ni Busing? Straight lang, straight. Straight lang. Hi. The small family's first boat trip complete, huh? Charles, say hi. Is this your first time? No, it's not your first time, but this is the first time. But you're already big.
Maybe.
Huh? Sure. it's time to go down. That's Negros there. I think we are a few meters away. We're about to dock. And there's this kid. Don't want to be kugos. Oh yeah, you can see guys, you can see it's going down. The ramp's going down. And yeah. Welcome to Dumaguete. Hi guys, welcome to Dumaguete. Welcome to Dumaguete guys.
Kabagati?
Yeah, magtagalog na kayo dito. Plane. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Dumaguete guys. Magtagalog na tayong lahat kasi hindi sila Tagalog dito. Just to let them know that we are foreign. We are foreign people coming into their island, and we're on the way to our next stop. See you there. So we're here now. Dumaguete, ENC. Saan yung ako, Andrego?
Deco pickleball.
Adrian de ay Mr. Pickle Zone. Di ba? Sakto no? Amo te una dito nga korte.
Mato na dito. Then
Ano?
kanina
Sa duha, tulo, upat. Upat eh? Tulom ni rin. Upat na rin.
Tulo, 4, 5.
5, 1. It's now 12 a.m. 12 na ba?
11:50.
11:50. And we're here in Starbucks. Starbucks. Usan ni pangalan nga Starbucks? O, di mo lang Boulevard o? Usan ni?
Lifestyle District.
Lifestyle District.
We're here in Starbucks Provincial. Mo rin na sa Google.
Okay, Atbang's province.
Oh, Provincial Hospital na. Atbang. So, welcome guys. Lang.
The vlogger.
Yeah.
Ako ngayon ba? Maskip ang pop.
Mo sabat bet ako eh. Man mayo. Hey, what do you want? Hey, you're only allowed to do that if you have like this. Oh. Yeah, bag. What do you want? What do you want?
Want to choose donut?
You don't want corned beef?
Yeah, I want donut.
Wait, donut, it's sweet. Wait. Corn beef on this side.
Corned beef or donut?
Donut.
Donut.
Hey, order mo. Say mo lang. Kato kay po mo. Di ni mayo tanan. Order lang ka.
Likod. Ato na yun.
Iced white chocolate. Ay atong lay
Kani, sir?
Dili. Kanang chocolate nga white. The white hot chocolate. Lang. Ari ko dire kay pirmi man ta. Dire yan lang pura ko. Go. Go. Tako.
Dili ka dito.
Tako.
Ang talya mo ni.
Kini.
Pare ta?
Alright.
Chocolate chip mo ni.
Ate, wate ka pabalhin na ta. Arita ko dire.
Ayo pa ni may pwede chocolate chip cream sa.
Ano din eh?
Gani.
Ay.
Ako lang, donut there.
458
You
Talia.
have to eat this also.
Musurga po na auto. 458 Talia.
Pastilan. Mo na next car biya ni Uncle Nico day. 458 Talia. Oh, 488 ag.
Para naman ang papa.
Leon, ayaw. Ako yun
Like this.
Ako ninong, itauyab na.
Hold like that, like that. Do not cover the camera. Do not cover, look. There you go.
Siya, pakita niya ninong Paris daw. Luwag kay ninong.
Don't cover
Ikaw,
the camera.
interview dito, ninong. What's your name?
Show the face. Show our face.
There. One is just there. Find more people.
Little Lodong.
Point to naman.
Ano si pangalan ni Dre?
Pantawan.
Pero mo na yung plaza.
Di mo ni Boulevard. Extended na. Reclaimed Boulevard.
Amo na yung reclaim?
Oo.
Amo na muli ko rin.
Dili ta.
Right na Dre?
Dili.
Right?
Left lang.
Isto.
Dinot na diya. Libo sa diya. Magabigin.
Hello guys, we're now here in OVI. OVI Dumaguete. OVI Hotel Dumaguete. Thank you so much. So we are checking out.
Oopsies, I'm sorry.
Thank you, OVI. OVI.
O, Leon, do not go there. Nabudlog ka.
Thank you, OVI. Or Chavista Inn. Orchard. We are located here in Bacong, Negros. Wait. So we're going down. Car there. Oh, you wait for Papa. Where are we? Go. We're going to the office of Adrian Philip.
Got one the breast. Ay, na the breast. Ang mix na ni titigyan nga inig.
Hi.
Kay parang
Morning office to Mr. Philip.
kita ba makalakaw or unsa nga.
Dito tas view.
Ang big
Mga bitan tuloy ba?
ni
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to today's vlog.
Ayun. Dako wala ko sa bandere.
kay ang ilang timbang ng timbang.
Mura naman yung
Like from 4 months siya.
pwede ba? Yeah, return. Put out back. Nah.
Ganyan kang gamata din sa.
Oo.
Ang pamaho ni nila wala.
Dugay man sad nagmata.
Ah,
Yan lang kuan lagi mi balik. Daan tanan.
para dito
Oo, dito na.
Let's go.
Let's go yon. Não, tá com um preto já.
Okay, naman ba? Hiluhan na ako. Diyos, nandiyan pa lang, hiluhan na ako.
Tunga lagi tanaw ah. Ito. Ka. Aray, dire. Ka unang lagi. Flooring ni ko? Flooring ni? Ano siya nga flooring?
Kasi kasabang test one.
So Japanese style here in Magenta. Check out this ramen place. Sa Pangandre.
Bakugo Ramen.
Ako kita di-transfer, bukan tuning.
Wow.
Tanaw ni mo.
We're on our way home. So that is Cebu Island right there. Negros Island right there. So I think we're halfway already. And it's 9:15, so maybe around 9:25 it's Cebu already. And another pila ka oras travel ka? Santander to Mandawi. Mga 3 to 4 hours. Inaro oras 3 to 4 hours. So mga parang 1 or 12. Uli na may. So we're here in McDonald's car. Naiihi lang. Parang Senator Raffy Tulfo andyan po. At ang nag-vlog niya si
Abi ng tubig di abi,
Si
nasa
Ma'am.
salog.
First Lady. Tubig ko mo. Alright. Si Heart Evangelista po si Cheese mong nasa first seat. Tagad po. Si Ma'am Heart. Hi Ma'am Heart. Si Heart at si Jan Prats na pala ngayon.
Yeah, nag-vlog
Ra-
si PBBM.
Si Repitol po mananawag si Cheese. Hey. Si Hetero Vlog. I do a vlog.
Hi.
Alright, say. Right, so this is Karkar City guys. Stop over lang muna for water and pee break. Water break and pee break and a little snack. And we head back to the city na. Okay, see you later.